everyone. Just a quick video about oil change enhancements, things that can make your life a little easier. Many of you are using a valve of some sort on your oil drain plug so that you don't have to deal with hot oil leaking all over you, because of course it's best to change oil hot. We always change oil hot. So how do we do that without burning ourselves and making a big mess? We'll get a quick change oil valve. Now there are different kinds on the market. The Fumoto ball valve is very popular. There's a product called the Valvomax, which is similar to this one. This one is the Stahlbus valve, made in Germany. Very well engineered. I prefer this over every other options in the market, mostly because it's got O-rings to seal in multiple places. It's got an O-ring that seals the lid, that keeps dirt and debris out. It helps to keep the cap on so it doesn't fall off. It keeps debris out of here. And there's an O-ring on the adapter hose as well, so when you plug it in and do the, when you plug it in and give it the quarter turn to open the valve, it's not going to leak through here either. I think this is the best engineered solution in the market. I've had other options. I looked again at getting a Fumoto valve because it worked pretty well for me, but this is the best one I've found in the market. It's a ball inside the seat. You can see that. Nice stainless steel. It's all premium marine grade stainless steel. The internal mechanism's held in place with a snap ring. You can see that on the seat. One possible change is, if you don't like the idea of the copper crush washer, replace that with a Parker State O-Seal. Those work really well. But the 600 series Stat O-Seal, you can Google that up. They sell them for M14, M17, different sizes. I think McMaster has them. So check it out. The Stahlbus Oil Drain Valve, available from their website, I think, Stahlbus. And as a reminder, this is not a sponsored video. I do not have any endorsements. I'm not seeking or accepting endorsements and will not. I just share with you things that I have found make my life better. So Stahlbus Oil Drain Valve, check it out.